Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to cast Chrome to Firestick. Let's go. The first method is for Apple devices, iPhone, iMac, MacBook, iPad. Open search. Find and install airscreen app. Your Apple device and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Scan QR code. Open screen mirroring. Choose Firestick. Open Chrome. The second method is for Android devices. Open Display and Sounds. Enable display mirroring. Turn on-screen mirroring on your phone. Your phone and your Firestick must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Chrome. That's it. Now you know how to cast Chrome to Firestick. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.